Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SANP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. Today, update's probably not really the right word, more so confirmation. But in that confirmation is where I would say is a very, very bullish day. I mean, yesterday was a very, solid day. I mean, there was big gains, and after big gains, it's always a very logical question. Is the price going to, or is the chart going to be able to absorb those gains, or is everybody just going to, lock in profits? That leads to panicking, and the bears are going to. But we got our answer today, and you can see that, sure, the price didn't necessarily explode upwards, but on several occasions, 3 times right there, the bears try to press down through that green line, the level of support I talked about yesterday at 0015. Then again, later in the afternoon, once again, the bears try to press down through it, and each and every time the bulls held strong. Now, does that mean that just because it held strong, this thing's going to be at 2 cents next week? I'm not saying that, but from an overall perspective of what, an overall goal, that goal being build higher stair steps. So, I mean, you want to have higher lows being built over time. From that perspective, because as long as price is putting in higher lows, the overall chart will take care of itself, then that's really what matters. So 0015, good sign that it did hold strong, and in my opinion, a really nice sign of bullish strength. Again, don't grab your kids' college tuition money and put it in here because you're misconstruing what I'm saying and saying, well, because it put in higher lows, because 0015 held, this thing's going to be at 5 cents tomorrow, or excuse me, on Monday. Not saying that, just saying that, yeah, good, solid, price movement, good, solid support seeming to be formed here, and that's what you want to see, going forward. As far as levels of resistance, nothing new here has changed. Still 002 up there as that key level of resistance. But all in all, the bulls are working on building that higher stair step, and that's what you want to see, assuming you care about the big picture of things. As long as the price is building higher stair steps, that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. So we'll see if they can continue to build those stair steps next week or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.